School program,
and as educated citizen of the Republic of the Philippines, I do solemnly promise to uphold and defend at all times the ideas and principles of our alma mater, and to loyal to her, and to observe highest standards of Christian morality and justice, so that my conduct shall give honor and glory to God, to my country, and to my alma mater. So help me God.